So a lot of times what happens is in professional exams, you have to understand the reality that out of 100 students, let's say if the pass rate is 40%, 60 students will fail, 40 students will pass. At times teachers may not want to talk about it because it may reflect poorly on their pass rates or something like that. But this is the reality, there is no two ways about it. I've had students at times, who've talked about that till class 12 or till college I've never ever failed in a paper or an exam till date. And this is the first time, so how do I tackle and all of that? So you have to understand that these are professional exams. When you're in school, out of 100 students or out of 40 students in a class, almost 40 or maybe a 39 students will pass and go to the next class. But the moment you're out of school, everybody will not get admission in the college in which you apply to. Everybody whose interview does not get the job. Everybody who attends the professional exam will not get selected. Everybody who takes a CAT examination, for example, does not get into the top 10 B schools. So this is a reality which we need to understand, and therefore even more importantly, study and work so hard that we are in that top 40 percentile or that percentile of students who are passing or getting through, and level up ourselves. So don't get intimidated by the fact that there is a pass rate, but rather work hard and level up yourself in order to be able to qualify. That is life. It's not going to be school all throughout your life, right? That's why we all want to go back to school once we grow up. So at times I've seen students having a challenge with respect to, that I've never failed in my entire life in school, etc. And now I'm taking a professional exam and there is a risk. And of course there is a risk. There is no denial about it. And what will people say or something like that? So let me tell you, if there is somebody or people are going to say something about professional exams or qualifying or not qualifying, etc., then those people have absolutely no iota of understanding about a professional exam. Because in school, out of 40 students, 40 will pass or 39 will pass. But in a professional exam, there is a pass rate. There are students who are working professionals and do not have time. There are students who are managing college and juggling multiple things together. So it is not that easy, and there is a pass rate. There will be hundreds of students maybe interviewing for a job and a few getting selected. So that filtration is going to be there all throughout, the moment you're out of school. You have to have that high level of EQ in order to be comfortable with it. And you cannot be scared and not do anything, because then you're not progressing in your life. So you have to beat those odds. Even if you reach out to 100 clients, if you're pitching 200 people, there'll be 2 people or 10 people who might revert and maybe one gets converted. That does not mean you don't pitch out or you reach out to 100 people. So you have to work that way. So you have to be very, very comfortable about these things.